I'm going to show you a dress today. Middle age. This model is V-neck, and there's going to be the outer leg of the shirt here. And pull it right at the waist, heart neck and button. The largest position of the buttocks, and this is the neck below. Well, we're going to design this model together. Teach them how to sew. Oh, and I'll need this one. You need to have measurements. Shoulder, chest. Ancient. Waist, butt, and long waist. Each person's measurements on this side will be different. So you measure and apply the formula. I will share it soon. And the first step of this shirt is that it's going to have a button on it. Then you'll put it here. Put this in ha. And then you're done. The body behind it will have no buttons, so you're going to put it in the wrong gas. And this one has a 2 centimeter rating. And I'll fold the paper. And when I paint the body in front of the body. I'll adjust later. This one wears the largest part of the ass, so I'm going to wear a long shirt. 57 depending on it. Height of each person. You'll choose the right number for it. And then we're going to build a perpendicular line. This is in the middle. You will take this shoulder to shoulder. Is that shoulder divided by 2? 32 divided by 2 is down to 4. 16. I will take her and divide the years. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I took in 6. I connected in. If I lower my chest here, I will be my chest. Divide by 5 and add 2. Breasts here are equal to 80. You divide 5 plus 2 by 18. At 18 you build a road across. And across the chest, you're going to divide it by 4. U plus 2. 80 divided by 4. If you add 2, you get 22. 22. If you can get the gold, you'll get the lower chest. And now we're going to take it down, starting from this high horizontal line. I took it down. Then you'll get the waist. The waist is equal to the waist divided by 4. To ba. In this form, I will draw them for the waist. 64 divided by 4 plus 3. You will be 19. Taken across 19. Let's start with the clothes. When I'm 19, I'll get my ass. Divide the 4 sisters plus me. But split 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 2 and 1. I took 2. Now I can draw a ribs and blouses from here up 3 inches. And then we build a perpendicular line down, reverse to gasoline. Split and half again. Then this collar, you'll be lucky to have a heart collar. But this part also gives me some gas. I took the neck deep. If you put your neck down here, you will get 14. When it comes to the middle of this and this, it's going to be there. This one will also have a length for the neck. Here, you're going to cut it like this and we're going to push the button. Take the button from here. Every button distance. So you cut out for me 7 millimeters of gasoline. Is that we get the body first? Then we get the body first. Then you will continue to give the back body. In the future, I will get to gas. You take one back and this one comes out. In this part, you will turn this part into 3 and you will get it. Part form. And this shirt is right at the waist. We're going to pull a rope. Then right here, you'll beat me up with a bug. A button for us to thread the rope in here. Then you wrap it around the front and back. You just tied the part. No, it's like a model. That way, you'll get the breast. And then I'll cut it. For the body of the shirt, my sisters, remember, this body has no seams. You have to cut the seams when we cut the fabric. I cut the red line. That's the cut for the body. Body after. After you cut it, always give both bodies at the same time, then the body will adjust. Let's make this rib smaller. By the way, you'll cut me a path. It's a millimeter of gasoline. Then this you will. Here is the back body. Body later multiplied by 1. It's because this is what it's going to be. We've got the back here. And then the front body. You'll see the body first. First, we will cut the heart. Then, this part of the rib you're going to cut is a centimeter of gasoline. Then you will cut it into 2 parts. Cut into 2 bodies. Because here we have 2 pieces. And you've got to cut this road. Let me put it in so I can have the old way. And she'll split the piece in half. This heart, then we take the score. Here you will measure this. Let's draw the length of the old part. I can measure 10 here. 10 from here to here is 10. From here to here is 12. Then I measured my armpit. Body after. This is 22. I measured the armpit first. It's 20. Now you will see this. I'll get the body first. Get the body back. Now I will continue to do that. For a part of the hands and neck. This shirt will be a shirt. Hands up, ladies. I'm going to take the lower chest. Is by chest. Divide by 10 plus 3. Here her boobs are 80. Divide by 10 plus 3. You will be 13. 15, 13. I'll take it down to 13 and lie here. Then you take the armpit ring and it's 20 plus armpit lift after to 2. You are 42. Dividing 2 is equal 21. I took through 21. I split in 2. Down 1. Up 2. And then we built this line perpendicular. Then you take the dot down perpendicular. And at this point, you give me 2 extra inches. Then we'll get the width down below. Your hands will pull them gently. Let's make the sleeve. Now I cut the hand. This hand, when the sisters, it's cut. So let's open up our hands. This hand, we have the front hand and the back hand. You will cut down on fuel. This will be the front hand, and the first arm will be the back arm. We'll get the sleeves. And the last one is you're going to paint the old part. We painted her before as 10. The back is 12 plus 22. Then fold it in half and you'll take out a piece. Is 22. Then you're up into parts. I took the depth of the neck. And here you'll get it all. 2.5, 2.5. 2.5 petrol, 2.5 petrol, 2.5 and you're petrol. Going to build this right here. 2.5 more gas. Then we'll bend. Then we'll get the old part. From here you will. Measuring up its continuation is 7 petrol. The gas is from here. I connect it in. Let's split it in half and we'll make it work. The old part. Then get yourself the size. If this is 2.5, you can get 3.5 petrol. 3.5, it starts here. 1. I'm only going to get 3.5 gas. Then you pass by. Then you go straight this way and join it. If you like the rhythm better, you're up here. Give me 5 glasses. I hit the curve. Then you'll get an old leaf like this. And after that we get the old leaf and in. Then you will cut it. You will get the old part. When you're lucky, you cut it off. The curve between the two. When I fold it like this, then my collar, it will embrace. It's nicer than if we cut its neck straight. That's my collar. That is the way you're going to cut the beautiful collar. Now let us talk about how to be lucky. Let your sisters imagine. The first step is that you don't. If you double it. The same as this, there is no need to iron glue. Then we'll sew a splint on the neck. After sewing the neck splint, you'll also cut the splint for the round neck and the heart neck. After you cut the music, then you'll put this part here. I sew the ribs. When you are finished, you will put your hands in. Then you will sew your hands into your body. Hands on the body. When you are done, you will fold the body. Let's sew the underarm. After sewing armpit ribs, then you fold the hand. From now on, you may have your back. Then you will be able to draw the part of the hand and we border. And we're done with the form. And this neck, you will open it except for the seam. You'll cut to pieces of glue. Then we're done sewing the old leaf. After sewing the ancient leaves, then you roll it over and we'll play the outer line of ancient leaves. And the old leg, you will. Except for a gash, we fold the folds in. You may stab the glass for the neck leg. Then we're going to put these angles together. Let's make a pair of 3 leaves. An ancient layer on top of an ancient layer A. The old leaves are inside. And one more neck leg, and you'll sew this corner. Then we sew in and you pop out. And you're marching along the curve. And then we're going to sew the leg. We put it in the body. Hey ha! Put it in the old leaf here and you'll be lucky. And this neck alone, we're going to put it like this. And we turn out that way. It'll have an ancient leaf-like shape. That's how we're going to sew the shirt. Shirts for middle age. You can wear this style with wide pants, skinny jeans. All skirts are fine. If anything is unclear, you can comment below. I'll reply when I see the comments. I wish you success. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.